All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Nissan Sentra. It is the S model. It's beautiful, like a grayish brown color with black interior. Only 4,000 miles on this car. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rear hubcap. Tire tread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. Driver's side hubcap. Your tire tread is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see anything dents or anything up there. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. I believe they're still wrapped up and it's plastic too. Double check that. That is correct. Got your AM, FM stereo system, AC control, all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Boom, boom. And your mileage of 4,619. Pretty much completes the door. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks good. Rear deck. It looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. I believe we're going to call it a frame because of this dent here. Huh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the way that is. Maybe it's a dent. Maybe it's a dent. Huh. No, I think maybe this is made this way. That's a dent. That's a dent for sure. Right. Dent back here, we're calling it frame. Son of a bitch. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. The tire tread. Over 730 seconds. Door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. With no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap and tire tread over 730 seconds as well. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Sentra S model with 4,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.